Hello everyone, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. It is so excited. Hello everyone, hello everyone. This is going to be a Black History Month eye makeup look. Let us start with the black. And February is right here, right now. And we are going to celebrate Black History Month, and also in February, Breast Cancer Month is also in February. We celebrate a couple things: Black History Month, Cancer Month, Be Kind to One Another Month. I just made that one up. It is a beautiful day, and I just want to tell you, never stop being yourself. Express who you are in the right way, the right manner that suits you. It might not suit everybody else, but it is you that is in control of you. My name is V. If you are new here, welcome. I do eye makeup looks on very hooded eyes. Some days they are very puffy. I have loose skin on my eyes. There is always a fold. Some nights I don't get enough sleep because I've been going through menopause for the last 8 years. I get too hot, I can't sleep. I get too cold, I am up. I mean, it's the up and down. So if you're new here and you like my content, please go ahead and consider subscribing. I love playing with makeup. I love doing different things. I am not the norm. Some days I'll do wearable looks. Some days I do wild looks. I just love playing with my makeup and having fun. So if this is something you like, hit the notification bell, and when I do upload, which I try to upload often, you will see the video. For those of us who did not do much in January, maybe now you can get it done in February. Don't beat yourself up if you did not accomplish everything you wanted done in January. Just continue from where you are and do the rest of what need to be done, and add what need to be done to your calendar also. Progress is progress. Whether you take 10 steps today and 2 tomorrow and 3 the next day, it is progress. Just make progress in the right directions. Sometimes we get turned back and we get turned around and we get pushed back. But don't stop, because when you don't stop, you're making progress. If you stop, progress stops. I hope that will encourage somebody today. And the power of love card for today is empathy. It says, no glasses. I'm trying to do this without glasses. You feel and understand the emotions of another in the service of love. Empathy card for today. No. The power of love card is empathy. Here it is. Use it wisely. Use it according to what makes your soul right. Let us keep moving on into 2023 with a lot of grace. A lot of grace, a lot of faith, a lot of hope. I am starting Black History Month with my Queendom palette. So I will try and use Black owned palettes through the month of February. This is a shimmer purple. And I'm just shaping it. Now I'm using a peachy color. I'm just going to put over in my fake crease. If you have your palette, take it out. Use a brush, use your finger, use whatever you have and play in your makeup. Have fun, enjoy it, do whatever comes to mind. And at the end of the day, you can wash it out and remember to tell yourself you are beautiful no matter what. I am beautiful no matter what. Remember to tell yourself that. Using one more color, and I'm putting it right here in the brow bone. And I'll blend everything together. I'm using my MAC Pressed Powder Foundation NW45. I'm using no corrector today. Queendom palette. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying to go out there, be fabulous, have a wonderful time. Life is short, enjoy it to the best way possible. And this is the look I came up with to start the Black History Month, which is February. Let me know in the comments what you think. Express yourself in the comments and I will answer you back. Thank you all again for watching. Bye.